And hello, my name is Shantanu and today we'll be starting Scratch. So you can go to scratch.mit.edu and then you you can go to join Scratch and then wait for it to load. You enter your username and your password, and then it will ask you different things like your phone number, and you can just give it. And then once you have logged in, you can wait for it to load, and then you can sign in. And then create, and then wait for it to load, and then you start with your place. So this is the place where you enter all your code, and this is your stage. This is where the output comes once you start your program. So if you want a new sprite, you can choose a sprite, and it will load a bit, and then you have hundreds of sprites: animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters, and so let's say I want this block K. So over here, this sprite is the name. If I want, I can change it. This is its X position. So if I want it, I can choose X is 0. And this is its Y position, I'll say 0. The size, I can change its size. If I want its size to be 10 or 300. And then it's a direction, I can change its direction. Let's say I want it 180 degrees. And the same thing for all the sprites. So now this looks a bit boring around the cat and the block K. So if I want, I can choose a backdrop. So choose a backdrop, and then you have again many backdrops: fantasy, music, sports. Let's say I want this sports, let's say I want this theater. And then if I want, so each sprite can have its code. Like the cat will have its code. I can do this, that starts the code always, and then move it, make it move. And then block K has the same thing. And then I can also choose some sprites for this backdrop. Okay, so now when you, let's say you want to change this cat a bit. So now this is its costume 1. Now it has another costume. So afterwards we'll learn how to make this cat look like it's running. And then we have a sound, and we can always change it, like if I want it slower or faster. And in the code, if I, this looks and this sound will like you can create a customer sound here, and then in your code you can use it. So thank you for watching my first video, and next video will move on to Scratch and build our first game. Thank you. Bye.